Please prepare all the necessary tools for installation. Insulated gloves, multimeter, MC4 crimping pliers, adjustable wrench, flathead screwdriver, wire stripper, M8 socket, MC4 wrench. First, determine the installation location for the optimizer. Document the positions of all optimizers on the physical layout drawing for reference during future maintenance. Peel off the SN label from the bottom of your optimizer and affix it to the physical layout drawing according to its planned installation position. Before formal installation, confirm the mounting hole positions of the PV module. There are 3 methods for installing PV modules. Method 1. Fix directly using the buckle. Method 2. Install on the module frame using combination bolts. Method 3. When the optimizer is mounted onto the dedicated aluminium profile, it must be secured using T-bolts. After mounting the optimizer, connect its input wires to the positive and negative terminals of the PV module. Then, connect the optimizer's output wires in series to form a string. Remember, when disconnecting, always disconnect the outside first to prevent damage. After completing the cable connections, please use a multimeter to measure the string voltage and ensure it is normal. Next, we will power on the gateway. Here, we are using SOLARMAN's Energy Manager. Begin by installing the Energy Manager in its reserved location. Once installed, plug its power adapter into a nearby socket. When the LoRa indicator glows a steady green, it indicates that the device is operating normally. To set the gateway network, please use the SOLARMAN Business App available on the App Store or Google Play. The gateway supports both Wi-Fi and Ethernet. You can choose the one that best suits your site conditions. Once the download is complete, please open SOLARMAN Business App to register, log in, and create a station. Before network configuration, ensure that your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS are enabled. After creating the station, click AD Data Logger and scan the gateway's QR code or enter its SN to complete the setup. Next, we need to set the gateway's network. 2 methods are available. Method 1. Wi-Fi connection. Once the device is added, enter your Wi-Fi name and password to join the network. Method 2. Wired connection. Connect the router cable to the gateway's ETH port. The net light is now on networking success. The optimizer supports network configuration via both app and web platforms. Click OK to close the prompt. Then, in the top right corner, click the More menu, select Device Networking. Then click Add the networking devices to begin. There are 2 configuration methods. Method 1. Select Sequential Scanning or Input Optimizer. Add all optimizers by scanning their QR codes or entering SN. Then click Start Networking. For Method 2, select Identify System Layout Drawing and place the drawing with the QR code affixed within the viewfinder. Then, Confirm the configuration details. Ensure the quantity is correct. And select Retain to start the setup. Configuration is successful. Click Done to finish. Or display details to review the devices on your network. Now, you can re-enter Device Networking. Click More Actions and select Update Relationship to confirm the configuration relationship. Additionally, you can click the More menu. In the top right corner, select Edit Layout to access the system layout page. Then, click Go to create to set up a system layout and an electrical layout based on your requirements. Now, authorized users will be able to view component level layout data on SOLARMAN Smart. Additionally, authorized users can view optimizer performance.